on today, we will be looking at the close call cliff set. All right, this, it says, can Thomas complete a daring cliffside turn? And then they got this face of Thomas. Oh, he looks scared. Well, this set looks kind of cool. All right, it has a 360. It says a sharp 360-degree turn for Thomas the tank engine. And there's the track configuration. And we will be taking a look at this set to see what it has to offer. All right, what it says, can, here we go. It says, can the #1 Blue engine navigate a daring cliffside turnaround and avoid a dangerous drop? After climbing to the top of the cliff, Thomas makes a sharp 360-degree turn and knocks over the boulders to reveal cool surprises. Thomas is living on the edge as he summons all his courage and control to complete an exciting hairpin turn. All right, that looks cool. It got fallen rocks. It comes, of course, with a motorized Thomas, and it features a cliff side climb. Okay, let's see if this thing answers the call, okay? So we are going to unbox it and set it up. Okay, there it is. In its default configuration. Here's the set, and I know you guys are wondering what is going on with this turn up here. Okay, so on this turn, I guess the engines turn around and they reveal hidden surprises. Well, under this surprise, we're gonna look right ahead, and under this one is, looks like some tools or something, huh? We'll get a close-up. Tools. Under this one, it looks like fossils, and under that one, it looks like a snake. All right, and this cool thing is these rocks, these boulders, I should say, are different sizes. Okay, but what's cool, this is the first time I saw something like this in a Trackmaster set, is that these boulders are different sizes, but you can put any of the boulders any place you like on the, they're interchangeable with one another. I'll just put it to you like that. So that's kind of cool. All right, it's got a nice little, I guess a little tunnel right here, or a sign, a warning sign I should say. Let's tell you, hey, danger ahead, all right? And the track configuration is a loop. It's actually a turnaround loop so that your engines can go either direction, coming in and go out and go right back up to this cliff, and hopefully they can make this turn. Okay, so off the bat, even though we know Thomas is designed to work with this set, we're gonna try a tender engine, okay? Let's try Mike. How about Mike? It's supposed to be miniature engine, but this is the Trackmaster version, which is not miniature at all. All right, let's see what he does. Oh, it works. He works. He works. All right, Mike is making small work of this set. Okay, that's tender engine Mike with just one tender behind him. He's zipping through this. Either way, he's working. How about that? Okay, so off the bat, these tender engines work? Yes. All right, we know Mike works. So what about Mr. Bill or Mr. Ben? How about those guys? Oh, Bill. Bill, you're gonna have to sit this one out. How about you, Bill? All right, Ben. Let's see. Ben. Hey. Ben knocked it out. Bill's out of battery, so he's sitting this one out. So let's see. Here comes Mr. Ben. Oh yeah. Ben works. those guys work. A smaller engine should really knock this out. This engine probably should have came with maybe a narrow gauge engine like Luke, or you know, somebody who's never been in a set like that, which would have probably been cool. But let's look at Charlie. Charlie should make small work of this set because he's a quick one. Oh yeah. Yeah, Charlie makes small work of this set right here. And he's quick on here. So look at that. Turns around with no problem. Jump the buffers, but you can go either way, it doesn't matter. Let's see if we can get him to come back around this way next time. That's pretty cool. Alright, here we go. Yeah, we can go either way. There's Mr. Thomas, the tank engine. Spinning around, knocking over the boulders, which is good. Yeah, he slips through this one. So, pretty cool. There we go. Does this set offer something different? Yes. It offers a 360-degree turn. Not much with the surprises, but it does offer something visually to look at. My only suggestion might be to include a different engine with this set, like Luke. And if you wanted a longer one that fit maybe the same cab size as Thomas, so that you can ensure that Thomas worked with it and that you would get the same result if you used the Thomas that you might already have. You could have included someone like Peter Sam or Sir Handel. This is a Blue Mountain or cliff. This could have been related to like the Blue Mountain Quarry part of your Trackmaster collection. So that's a thought. For kids, I don't think they would mind, and I think a lot of them would get a lot of fun out of this set. It works with the older engines. Bill and Ben have tested that, and it works with Tinger engines because we tested our Trackmaster Mike with that. Okay, so without further ado, we hope you like this video. Like it if you like it, and have a great day.